So, before I get into it on this video, I just wanted to give you guys some big news, like really big news. But finally, after all this time of bugging, and I've got into the affiliate program. So I am now becoming an affiliate for Fire Department Coffee after all this time. So, super, super big news for me, y'all. So, there's going to be a link down in the description for my affiliate link. So, if you guys can, go there and do your purchases through that. And the 10% code FDCoffee10 does still work for that. So, yeah, just keep clicking away, keep sharing all my stuff, keep buying your coffee from them with my link. So, I'm excited, y'all. So, it's big news for me. So, yeah, anyway, I just wanted to tell you that Fire Department Coffee affiliate now. So I am pretty excited. So yeah. So keep buying that coffee and we'll see you soon. Hey there, YouTube land. Brimstone667 here. So I know I've been a little slow on my content lately. Lots been going on. Got sent back to work, all that good stuff. So that's taken up a lot of my good time. Also still going through physical therapy and all that. So we're down here. Cold start on the old squad. So yeah. And I was hoping to have some other content with some other revivals here. But with work and everything, it's been really, really tight for me. I do want to start, dedicating more time to my YouTube and stuff. Especially with all the stuff I got going on now. I want to do revivals like I was saying. Sorry about the shakes, scratching my arm. But yeah, so, anyway, enough of me rambling. Let's get in and do a cold start. Alright, let's just hop in here real quick. Get everything all set up. Now this has been sitting. It's been sitting for a couple months, so give her 4 pumps and we'll see what happens. Couple more here. Yeah, like a good old Chevy. Hi. So yeah, like a good old Chevy, she just fires right up. Yeah. Also, I got some other cool stuff going on, but working on getting, hopefully working on getting a new camera. My phone's doing really good, but yeah, hoping maybe one of those GoPros so I can actually use the tripod on it, because my phone's a little big to actually fit in the tripod. So yeah, let's move you around here. Exhaust for you. Yeah, good old squad, good old truck. So lots of plans for actually working on. I got a engine hoist I'm gonna put on her sometime. Maybe this winter or so. I'm going to actually be putting a front hitch on her too, so I can put the snowplow on here as well. So, yeah, I got plans for it. And again, I got plans for a lot of stuff. Sometimes it doesn't happen. But anyway, so another cold start for you guys. So I hope you guys like this video. And like always, like,